Hey, this place is really nice. I'm glad we came here.
Me too. The atmosphere is so cozy. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time. I heard the food is amazing, though. What are you thinking of ordering?
I'm not sure yet. The pasta looks good, but the grilled chicken sounds healthy. What about you?
I might go for the steak. I'm really hungry today.
You're always hungry.
That's true. Oh, do you want to share a dessert later?
Yes, definitely. Maybe chocolate cake?
Perfect choice. By the way, how was your day?
It was a bit busy, but talking to you now makes it better.
Oh, that's sweet. My day was boring, honestly. I was just waiting to see you.
Really? That's so cute.
Of course. Spending time with you is the best part of my day. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
And I'll have the steak, thank you. Great choice. I'll be right back with your order.
I'm excited already.
Me too. And don't forget, dessert is on me today.
Then I'll definitely save room for that chocolate cake.